So again, welcome back, future achievers. Okay, we have another lecture where we are going to understand what is atomic mass unit, okay, what is molecular mass, what is molar mass, and what is moles. Okay, so let's try to understand all of these particular definitions and how to use them in the formulas and in the questions. Okay. So let's start with atomic mass unit. Okay, so when you measure something, what happens? So for an example, if I want to buy something, I want to get it in terms of kg, right? And suppose if I am buying some very rare ornament like gold, okay, I can't buy it in, sir, give me 2 kg gold, okay, it has to be very minute, like 1 gram, 2 gram, 3 gram, okay. Same way, to measure such a very small atom, okay, you cannot use units like 1 kg, 2 kg, 3 kg, 1 gram, 2 gram, okay. Even 1 gram or 2 gram units are far bigger for that simple atom. Okay, that's why is the reason we use this particular unit, that is atomic mass unit. Okay, so just like every unit is defined. For an example, a length, it means length of 1 meter. Okay, it is defined as 1 by 3 billionth part of the distance traveled by the light in 1 year. Okay, same way this has to be also defined, like what is 1 atomic mass unit, how do you define 1 atomic mass unit. Okay, so the way to define atomic mass unit, we used 1 carbon atom. Okay, so as you know, carbon atom has different isotopes, right? Carbon 12, carbon 13 and carbon 14. So we utilize carbon 14 and we say whatever the mass of this carbon 12 is, okay, that mass is 1/12th part, okay, is known as 1 atomic mass unit. Okay, that's what we said. Okay, so whatever the carbon 12 masses, that mass is 1/12th part is going to be 1 atomic mass unit. I hope you are able to understand. So 1 atomic mass unit is 1/12th the mass of 1 carbon 12 atom. Okay, and remember 1 atomic mass unit in terms of kg, sorry, in terms of gram is this. It is 1.66 into 10 to the power 24 minus 24, okay, grams. So 1 atomic mass unit is equal to this, or the definition basis is that it is 1/12th the mass of 1 carbon 12 atom. Okay, this is the basis for comparing the atomic masses. Okay, because we have very small elements, right? We cannot use this kgs, grams. Okay, that's why we came up to the very smallest unit of mass, okay, to measure the mass, that is 1 atomic mass unit, which is 1/12th the mass of 1 carbon atom. I hope we are clear with the definition of what is atomic mass unit. Okay, you got to know this is the smallest unit to measure the mass. Got it? Now let's go on to the next page. Okay, let's understand what is molecular mass. Okay, see, molecular mass, mass of the molecule. Got it? That is molecular mass. Now it is, first of all, let's read the definition. That definition is, it is sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms in a molecule. Okay, for an example, it is the sum of all the atoms which are present in the molecule. Can you name any molecule? Suppose, sir, H2 is a molecule. Okay, any other molecule? Think about this. Any other molecule? Yes, N2 is a molecule, right? Okay, so see, what is the mass of this single molecule? Remember, I am talking about single molecule, molecular mass. Okay, we are talking about molecular mass, mass of 1 molecule, only 1 molecule. Remember, because in the further definition you might get confused. Okay, so mass of 1 molecule is called molecular mass. So this is 1 molecule of nitrogen, right? Can you tell me what was the mass of carbon? It was 12. Okay, so if there is single carbon, the mass of this molecule is what? 12 atomic mass unit. Got it? Now we know that nitrogen, 1 atom is having mass of 14 atomic mass unit. Okay, so 2 atoms will be of 28 AMU. Got it? 28 AMU. Same way water. So water is like there are 2 hydrogen atoms, okay, and 1 oxygen atom, right, in water. Is that so? So 2 hydrogen atom and 1 oxygen atom. Now can you tell me what is the mass of hydrogen? Sir, the mass of hydrogen is 1, and sir, the mass of 1 oxygen atom is 16, sir. So it means 16 plus 2 is, sir, 18. So it means 18 atomic mass unit. Remember, can you remember this? Atomic mass unit. 18 atomic mass unit is the mass of 1 molecule, only a single molecule of water. Remember this. Okay, now same way some example is like they have given an example for water. Okay, so one question from you, tell me the mass of one sugar atom, C12, H22, O11, and also tell me C6, H12, O6. Okay, mass of these. I hope the mass is like 180 around. Okay, so try to find the mass of these two atoms by yourself. Okay, before we move ahead. Got it? I hope you would have found out the mass of these elements. Okay, so now that we understand what is molecular mass, atomic mass unit, smallest unit to measure mass, molecular mass, it is the mass of one molecule. Okay, I hope there is no confusion, right? Only two definitions. Smallest unit is atomic mass unit, and mass of one molecule is molecular mass. Let's see, move ahead. Now, molar mass. Okay, before you read the definition, I'll clear a very simple thing. What was your molecular mass of? Again, can we revise? If once again we revise, what is the molecular mass of? Okay, what do you call it? For nitrogen, it was 28 atomic mass unit. Very good. The molecular mass of water, it was 18 atomic mass unit, right? Okay, now first read the definition of molar mass. Mass of 1 mole of a substance in grams equal to the molecular mass in gram per mole. Okay, you can't get it, right? See, this is N2, this is H2, this is the mass of one molecule, molecular mass. Okay, this is called what? This is called what? This is molecular mass. Got it? Now, if we want to take 1 mole of nitrogen, 1 mole of water, how can I make 1 mole? When you have single molecule, when you have single molecule and you take Na number of atoms, okay, this is a number. Na has a value of how much? Na has a value of 6.02 2 into 10 to the power 23. This is the number. If you take this much atoms of nitrogen, what will be its mass? Same way, if you take this much atoms of water, what will be its mass? Can you tell me? The mass will be 28, the mass will be 18. Okay, but sir, it is atomic mass, it is very small, you are writing 28, not 28 atomic mass unit, 28 grams. Okay, 18 grams. Okay, so 28 atomic mass unit is a mass of one molecule, 28 gram is a mass of 1 mole, and in 1 mole how many atoms are there? How many atoms? Total of this much atoms. Okay, got it? Total of 6.022 in 10 to the power 23 atoms. If you take this much atoms of nitrogen, okay, whose single element mass is 28, there will be total mass of 28 gram. Same way, this much atoms of water will be 18 gram. Okay, so can you see, it is the same mass, okay, but in grams per mole. Okay, obviously this is per mole mass. Okay, per mole, mass of 1 mole per mole, that's it. Okay, now 28 atomic mass unit, 28 grams, so it is in grams, from atomic mass unit to grams. Now can you read the definition once again? Mass of 1 mole per mole of a substance in grams. In grams, okay, the mass is in grams, equal to the molecular mass. So is it equal to molecular mass? Yes, the number is equal to molecular mass but in gram per mole. Got it? Equal to molecular mass but in gram per mole. Understandable? And suppose the molar mass of CO2 is, how you find the molar mass? First of all, you find the molecular mass. So you got the molecular mass by this formula. Once you get the molecular mass, just write gram per mole. Okay, got it? Molecular mass, mass of one molecule. Okay, and molar mass, mass of 1 mole of that substance. Got it? And you can say mass of any number of particle of that substance, mass of 1 mole of that substance. Okay, you can say anything. I hope this particular thing was clear, right? Let's go on to the next. Okay, what is moles? Nothing. You have one particle, take n number of particle, it will be 1 mole of that particle. Okay, you have n number of particles. What is n? N is this number. Okay, this much particles of any element, any compound, any atom will give you 1 mole. Okay. So, it is the amount of substance containing this much particles. Okay. This much particle, and this particle number is known as what? Avogadro's number, which I have already told you. Okay. So, amount of substance. So, how much amount of substance which contains this much amount of particles? Okay. That is known as moles. For an example, okay, 1 mole of NaCl contains this much amount of 58.44 gram molar mass of substance. Okay. So, now you can see this is the molecular mass. Okay. 58.44 atomic mass unit is the molecular mass of NaCl, and 58.44 gram per mole is the molar mass. It is the mass of one molecule, mass of Na number of molecules. Got it? Which comprises 1 moles. Now the same thing again repeating. I hope you are able to understand. Moles, okay. Mass of 1 mole of any substance is molar mass. Got it? And mass of 1 molecule is molecular mass. Okay. Atomic mass unit is the smallest unit to represent the mass. Got it? Okay. Now let's do some practice questions. These are very easy questions. Okay. Let's do it. So calculate the number of moles in 9 gram of water. What is the mass of water? Tell me. Molar mass of water is 18 gram. 18 gram 1 mole. So 9 gram half mole. Simple. That's it. Nothing easy. Okay. Oh, sorry, nothing difficult. The atomic mass of element is 24U. Obviously the molecular mass, they will ask the molecular mass. Find the mass of one atom in grams. Okay. It's asking what is the mass of one atom. The atomic mass of one element is 24U. Okay, 24 AMU. Okay. So it is asking us the mass of one atom in grams. How can I have to change this unit in grams? How can I change it? Yes, we know that one atomic mass unit is equal to 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 grams. I hope you are able to understand this. So whatever the answer is, this is our answer. Okay, just multiply this number, you will get an answer. Okay, that's how you find out for one particle. Got it? Was it easy? 24U, convert this U into grams. Simple. That's it. Okay, just like you convert kg into gram. Okay, now last set of questions. Okay, so practice questions, molecular formula and molar mass. Okay, this is like molecular mass formula and molar mass questions. Determine the molar mass of glucose. Oh, well, I gave you this question, right? I gave you this question. You found out the mass of this thing? Did you find out? If you didn't, let's just do it. So 6 carbon atoms, okay, 12 hydrogen atoms, okay, and how much? 6 oxygen atoms, C6H12O6. So what is the mass of carbon? Sir, the mass of carbon is 12. Sir, mass of one hydrogen atom is, sir, 1. Mass of one oxygen atom is 16. So now if you add it, 6 12 72, okay, plus 16. So 180 atomic mass unit is the mass of one molecule, okay, and 180 gram per mole is the mass of 1 mole. Got it? So what is the molar mass? That is 180 gram per mole. Got it? Now let's read the second question. Calculate the molecular mass of sulfuric acid. It's again easy. H2SO4. Okay. So how many elements of hydrogen? 2 into hydrogen. Okay. 2 elements of hydrogen. 1 into sulfur plus 4 into what do you call it? Oxygen. Okay. So 2 hydrogen is mass is 1 plus 1 into sulfur. Sulfur's mass is what? 32. My writing is just bit sloppy. Okay, 4 into what is the mass of oxygen? That is 16. Okay. Now what is the answer? 2 plus and 32. Okay, got it. 16 is 4 is 64. So what is the mass? 64 plus 2 is 66, 67, and 68 plus 30 will be 98. 98 atomic mass unit, mass of one molecule. 98 gram per mole is the mass of one molecular mass. Okay, sorry, it is the mass of one molecule, and molecular mass is, oh, they have asked us the molecular mass itself. Then this is the answer. Okay, they have not asked us the molar mass. Okay, I hope now you are clear with the definition of all those four particular things. Okay, atomic mass unit, molecular mass, molar mass and moles. Okay, I hope now you understand what is a mole. It is collection of any number of particles of any substance, that is moles. Okay, till then, see ya, bye bye, keep studying. So we'll be welcome backing you again in the next session. Bye bye.